All right, guys, this is the big moment. I have been waiting over a year for these levers. Once I saw the new red levers get released, Generation E, even saw them pre-prototype on bikes around Chicago because SRAM is based here. I was excited for these. I had access to buy red E1 for like $700 a side when they first came out, and I was like, you know what, $1,400 for two levers. I'm gonna wait for Force because I have a feeling they're gonna be good. And you know what? This unboxing, I am ecstatic. When I saw what was released, I mean, they weigh pretty much the same. And here we go. This is what it looks like when you get a brand new box of levers. So this is the SRAM E1 Force lever, right-hand side rear brake. So these bad boys, first impressions are solid. Well, they're covered in all this little dust, but that's neither here nor there. This is much softer than it looks in real life now that I'm touching it, this rubber. And these cutouts are much more intense than the photos look. The carbon lever, seeing it in person, it's really intense carbon, like forged carbon. Also, this paddle, much bigger than I expected. The Force logo, holographic, super nifty. We got some, I mean, this is an unboxing, so I'll show you all that's in here. So we have this random disc and hydraulic brake manual. We have some warning stuff. Warning, don't eat it. It's a fucking bike part. Don't eat it. No shit. And precise installation. I will not be installing these. I will have my favorite mechanic in Chicago, Gary, be installing these. He is a professional. I don't feel like doing it myself because I don't want to screw it up. We also have in here, actually, I have no idea. This is really difficult one-handed, and this is already a 2-minute long video, and I haven't done anything yet. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's not good. Ooh, that's a little dingling. Oh, that's like the banjo thing, so that's for the brake. And then we have, oh, these are disc brake blocks, I think. Oh my goodness, this is so challenging one-handed. There we go. Okay, we have a Allen key tool, banjo, and then a block. Cool. And we also have some new bolts, bolt kit assemblies. We have two sizes. One size apparently never gets used, and the other one is what you mostly use. Cool, and it comes with the blade block in there. Nice, always need those for traveling. Brand new disc brakes. Here are up front and close. This is what they look like. I like the milled out. It definitely feels milled. Super high quality. I like the all black. It's nice and quiet looking. And I think it's gonna match well. So let's get a weight for this whole system. Here we go. So SRAM rear brake, full caliper. Oh goodness. Let's see if we get this all on here. 378. I don't know how right that is. Let's see. 376, 377. That's what we're gonna weigh. Roughly a pound, just under a pound for the whole system. These are gonna be cut down. Got a nice big spring in here. One thing I did notice about this is it already has a coin-operated battery in here. So when you touch it, it already has the green light. Do you see that? So SRAM comes with the green light already. I like this flat. I like the SRAM logo. And here's what it looks like looking down. So it's kind of angled, flat, and then straight on where your hands mostly go. And I think the best part about these is you can put your whole hand. I got medium, large hands, and my whole hand fits around these. Whereas old Force, I can barely get 3.5 fingers around. So really like that I can fit everything under there. So this is the SRAM Force E1 unboxing. 377 grams is what we're looking like. Here's all the random little parts. Here's the box, very pretty, nice light purple, lavender, very demure, very mindful. Here's the back, random stuff. They're made in Taiwan or Taichung. I'm actually not sure where that is. Netherlands, SRAM Europe, and Fulton Market, where we will be racing the Fulton Market Grand Prix July 27th. Come watch us race bikes. It's going to be sick. But yeah, thanks for joining my absolutely shit show of a video. Unfortunately, I am missing one part for my SRAM box. We have another chain. Oh, the rear railer. Sorry, front railer. We have a new free hub body, but I'm missing the rear derailleur. So waiting for that, and then we'll get all this installed on Madone. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks.